both web and Node has global object, and we can console.log a window inside the web. For example, in here, we can console.log window, and when we click on this, and when we scroll down, we can see there is a function which is set timeout, and we can use this by using window.setTimeout and then console.log timeout with window, and then we type 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds it will pop up this message. And since window is a global object, so actually we can just delete the window, this word, and this time we type without windows. So when we click again, after 3 seconds, it will also pop up this message. And inside Node.js, we also have the global object, but this time we are not going to console.log the window. We are using console.log the global. So when we type Node app, we can see it also has the set timeout functions. So we can copy this and paste here, but this time we are using global. Now if we run the app again, after 3 seconds, it will also pop up the message with global. And again, since this is a global object, so we can skip the word global and just using set timeout, and we change this to without global. Now we run the app again by using Node app. After 3 seconds, both pop up the message. And actually, as you can see before, although they have global object in both window and also the Node.js, but they may have different functions. For example, we can console.log the document here, and we can see the web page just has the HTML and body. But if we go to the Node.js and type console.log document, and then we run the app again, you can see the document is not defined. So they have different functions, although they have global object. So now there are 2 things we need to note. The first is we can get the current directory name by using __ directory name. And the other is we can get the file name, the full path, by using the __ file name. And if we run the app again, now you can see the path of the folder and also the full path of the app.js file.